Hello, everybody. I hope you are well at home. I really miss you. As you can see, I am at home as well. We are just being careful, nothing to worry about. I hope you guys still miss me. I miss you a lot, and I hope we can all be at school together again soon. Okay. But while we wait, please be safe, be careful, yeah, look after yourselves, please. Today we are going to work off a PowerPoint, the PPT. We will do page 70 and 71. Okay, so if you can open your books to that pages, please. Everything on the pages will also be on the screen on the PPT to try and make it a bit easier for you guys. Okay, we are going to talk some more about different school subjects. Okay, what I want you to do is I want you to comment your favorite subjects. Okay, I want you to comment your favorite school subjects. My favorite subject when I was at school was math. Math was my favorite subject. So comment what your favorite subjects was. Okay, let me share the screen here. And there we go. There we go. Okay. So this is our slide show for today. As you can see, we are doing Unit 7. Okay, we are doing Unit 7, page 70 and 71. Are you guys ready to begin? Are you excited to try this new way of class? I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so welcome. For those of you that didn't hear me say it the first time, I just want to say welcome again. I hope you enjoyed this class today. Okay. We are in the workbook. We are doing Unit 7, page 70 and 71. Okay. Are you guys ready? Can I start? Ready or not? Here we go. Okay, so the first thing we have to do, you see on the top of page 70, it says, find and circle 6 words. Then unscramble the word unscramble the letters that aren't circled. Okay, so we have to find, okay, sorry, we have to find, look at this one here, and circle. Okay, 6 words. I'm going to give you a little hint. They are all subjects we have at school. They are all subjects we have at school. Okay. Can someone tell me what is the first one? What is the first one? Let's see. The first word I can see here is, I'm going to give you some time. I'm going to give you some time. I don't want you to just copy me. Okay. So please, if you can find them, circle them. Circle them. If you can find them, circle them. Okay. I will do the first one now. What is that? Can you see that word? Can you see that word? It is geography. Yes. Okay. So there we have one. We have geography. Geography. Say it with me. Geography. Okay. Who can see the next one? Who can see the next one? Can you help me? Over here we have music. Music. Okay, there's number 2, music. We have 2 words now. 2 words. That means we have 4 to go. 4 to go, and then we still have to unscramble some letters. Okay, so we have geography and music. Can anybody see the next one? Can anybody see the next one? Quickly, if you can see them, circle them. You don't have to wait for me. If you can see them, circle them. The next one we have is right next to it. Sorry, it is science. Science. Okay, so we have geography, music, and we have science. Science. Okay. What's the next one we have? What's the next one? Can someone help me? All of your favorite subject. You all love this subject. It is math. 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 Okay. Math. Now we have four. We have four now. We have geography, we have music, we have science, and we have math. Math. Okay, what's the next one? Okay, the next one is art. Okay, that's the one I was the worst at school. I was terrible at art. Okay, I could not draw or paint or write anything in art. I was very, very bad. Okay, so art. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to find one more. We have to find one more. The last one is, yes, good job. History. History. Okay, the last one is history. Now we have to unscramble the words with the letters we did not use. We didn't use I, we didn't use S, we didn't use N, then L also not used, E, oh, I missed one there, after L, G, E, and H. Okay, those are the words we didn't use, the letters we didn't use. Okay, we didn't use I, we didn't use S, N, L, G, E, or H. Okay, what word could that spell? What subject could that spell? Does anybody know? Anybody tell me? Quickly think. Quickly think. What do you think it spells? Yes, good job. Your favorite subject, English. 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 Okay, so you can write English down there. English. Okay, see we use the E. Okay, let me show you here. Let me show you. We used the E, right? For English E, then we use the N. No more N. Then we use the L. No more L. Then we use the G. Then we use the I. We use the S. We use the S and we use the H. See, English. Okay. So altogether we have 7 subjects here. We have geography, music, science, math, art, history, and English. Okay, make sure you write English. Remember, I am going to check your books when you get back. Okay, I'm going to give you 1 second there. Give you some time, make sure you have everything. Do you have everything? Okay, let's go on. Can I go on? Ready or not? There we go. Good, okay. Let's go to the next slide. Let's see. Okay, so now we have to write. First we have to write, then we have to listen and circle true or false. Okay, so we have to look at the pictures. So we have an example, we can see PE, so that picture means PE. Okay, and that means and. The plus sign means and. The globe, the whole globe here means geography. Okay, as we can see here, the tick means was or were, and the cross means wasn't or weren't. Okay, wasn't or weren't. So the first one says PE and geography were boring. Okay, so that we write from the pictures. Okay, after we wrote it, then we have to say true or false. We will listen to the track and say true or false. Okay, so who can help me with number 2? How will we do number 2? How will we do number 2? Okay, number 2, we see this globe, see the globe over here, and we know from number 1 that that means geography. Okay, so we can write. If you know how to do it, please do it. You don't have to wait. Try and do it by yourselves if you can. Geography. Okay, geography is the first one. Then we have a cross. Now that means wasn't or weren't, right? Wasn't or weren't. But it's only one subject, so we say wasn't. Wasn't easy. Okay. So that will be our first sentence. Okay. Can you do the next sentence without me? Quickly do it. Quickly do it. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Do number 3 without me. Do number 3 without me. Okay. Are you all finished with number 3? If you are finished with number 3, do number 4, 5, and 6 as well. Look in your book, do number 4, 5, and 6 as well. I did number 2 to help you understand better. Okay, so please do number 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, I'm going to give you some time to do it. I will give you some time. I cannot just do it for you guys. Okay, you have to do it yourselves. If you struggle, then I will help you. Okay, please do it. Are you finished? Are you finished? I will start with number 3 so long. If you are not finished, just keep going. Just keep going if you are not finished. So number 3, we have a night there. What do you think that means? I think that means history. Okay, that is history. 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 And we know that's an. What is that? That is a piano. What do we do with a piano? We make music. Yes, history and music. Okay. Then we see that the tick there, that's either was or were. Which one should we use? Was or were? Were. Yes, good job. History and music were fun. History and music were fun. Okay, were fun. Okay, keep going with number 4. Okay, I am going to play. I'm going to play the track only up until number 3. Only up until number 3. Okay. So now we listen to the first 3 tracks. Okay. So now we have to say, were they true or false that we wrote there? Do you want to listen to it again? Okay, we listen to it one more time. Okay. So number 1, is it true or false? True or false? Who can help me? Number 1 was true or false? True or false? True or false? False. Yes. Okay. P and geography were boring. No. It was interesting. Okay. Number 2. True or false? Number 2. Geography wasn't easy. True or false? Geography wasn't easy. True or false? True. Okay, true. Number 3. History and music were fun. History and music were fun. Is that true or false? True or false, guys? Quickly. It was true. Yes. Okay. Good job, everybody. Okay, I'll give you another second to make sure you write everything here before we go on. Are you finished? False, true, true. Okay. Let's go on. Let's go on. Let's go on. Okay. Let's see. Did you guys do number 4? Did you do number 4? Did you do number 4? Okay, we have a calculator. That is for math. Yes, that is for math. Your favorite, right? Math wasn't interesting. Math wasn't interesting. Okay, math wasn't interesting. Okay, what's the next one? Can somebody help me with the next one? Can somebody help me with the next one? Anybody? Can anybody help me with the next one? Can you? Quickly, quickly, quickly. Yes, good. Science and computer science weren't difficult. Okay. Science and computer science weren't, let me just make this a bit longer, weren't difficult. Okay, science and computer science weren't difficult. Science and computer science weren't difficult. Okay, what's the next one? What's the next one? Can someone tell me? Someone tell me, yes. Art was exciting. Yes, art was exciting. Good. Art was exciting. Okay, now we have to listen again. Let's see if it is true or false. Let's see if it is true or false. Okay, so is this true or false? Maths wasn't interesting. It is? Yes, false. It is false. It is false. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so was it easy? Yes, it says science and computer science weren't difficult. That means easy. Okay. Good job. Good job. Excuse me. Okay, number 6. Number 6. Okay, so was art boring? It said art was boring. This says art was exciting. So it is. Yes, it is false. It is false. Okay. I'm going to give you some time to write all that if you didn't yet. I'll give you some time. Please write all of that. Are you almost finished? Are you almost finished? Okay, false, true, false. False, true, false. Okay, let me take these away. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on. Okay, number 9 at the bottom of the page. Okay, science was difficult, or math was easy, or art was, what are we going to write? Okay, so you have to write 3 sentences about your lessons. Okay, so I will write an example, but please don't just copy my example. Write about your lessons. Okay, so I'm going to say, for me, I think if I had to have science again, I don't have any class, but if I had to have science again, I think science was interesting. Interesting. For me, I think science will be interesting. What do you think? What do you think? Science was interesting. Okay. Math, for me, like I said, math is one of my favorites. So I would say math was fun. Okay. And then at the last one for me, I will say art class was very boring. Okay, I don't like art. Please write that. Please don't copy me. Fill in those sentences for yourselves, how you feel about last week's lessons. Okay, if you think they were all boring, you can say that. If some of them were boring, you can say that. Okay, whatever you feel like. Okay, I'm going to give you some time to finish it quickly. I'll give you some time. I'll give you some time. Okay, can we go on? Is everybody finished? Is everybody finished? Okay, good. Let's go on. Let's go on. Okay. And just like that, we are on page 71. Okay. And page 71, we have to listen and circle, then write. Okay, listen and circle, then write. Okay, so the story will tell us what homework Dan had. So then we have to circle each day as they tell us what he had. And then we have to answer these questions. Okay, the questions: did Dan have computer science homework on Monday? Did Dan have geography homework on Tuesday? Did Dan have English? Did Dan have English homework on Wednesday? Did Dan have art homework on Thursday? And did Dan have music homework on Friday? Okay, those are the questions we need to answer, but we can only do it after we listen and circle. Okay, I'm going to play it once. Okay, did you guys get that? One more time. Okay, now I will help you. If you couldn't circle yet, I will help you. Listen carefully. On Monday, Dan's homework was computer science. Okay, computer science. Let's go on. On Tuesday, it was history. Okay. Let's hear about Wednesdays. On Wednesday, it was science. On Wednesday, it was science. Thursday's art homework, that means he had art homework on Thursday. Thursday's art homework was easy. On Friday, Dan had music homework. That's this one. Okay, so Monday, computer science. Tuesday, history. Wednesday, science. Thursday, art, and Friday, music. Okay. Now we have to answer these questions. Okay. Did Dan have computer science homework on Monday? So we look at Monday and we say, yes, he did. Can you see? Yes, he did. Okay, now we look at number 2. Did Dan have geography homework on Tuesday? So we look at Tuesday, we see no, it's not circled. No, he didn't. No, he didn't. Sorry. No, he didn't. Okay. On number 3, did Dan have English homework on Wednesday? So we go to Wednesday, and we see no, he had science. So then we say no, he didn't. No, he didn't. Okay, number 4. Did Dan have art homework on Thursday? So we go to Thursday. See Thursday over here. Art. Yes. Yes. He did. And then number 5. Look at number 5. We can see that Dan have music homework on Friday. Music. Yes, he did. Okay. Did you guys all get that? Quickly write it down. Okay, I'm going to move on. Okay, if you didn't finish, maybe just pause the video and then you can finish, but I think you all did because you are so smart. Okay, let's move on. Okay, now we have to look at Maddie's homework diary. Okay, so she already wrote what she had. See, Monday she had music and it was easy. On Tuesday she had English and it was easy. On Wednesday she had computer science and it was boring. On Thursday she had math and it was difficult. On Friday she had geography and art and they were interesting. Okay, so let's look at question number 1. Question number 1 says, Maddie's homework on Tuesday was, what did she have? On Tuesday? We can look here. Tuesday she had English homework. Was English? Yes. Ooh, not like that, no. English. She had English homework. Okay. Was it difficult? No. Look there. It wasn't difficult. It was easy. So no, it wasn't difficult. It was easy. No, it wasn't difficult. It was easy. Okay. Number 2. Was Maddie's homework on Thursday difficult? So we go to Thursday, we see she had math and it was difficult. So we can say yes. Yes, it was difficult. Yes, it was difficult. Okay. Now number 3. Was Maddie's homework on Wednesday interesting? Was Maddie's homework on Wednesday interesting? No, it wasn't interesting. It wasn't interesting. It was boring. Okay, it was boring. She did not enjoy her computer science homework on Wednesday. Okay, it was boring. Number 4. Okay, number 4. Maddie's homework on Friday was, let's look on Friday, she had 2. Was geography. Geography. That's the first one. And the other one she had, geography and, who can help me? Art. Yes. Geography and art. Was it boring? Let's look on Friday, geography and art. No. No. It wasn't boring. It was interesting. It was interesting. It was interesting. Okay, let's look at number 5. Let's look at number 5. Was Maddie's homework on Monday easy? What did she have on Monday? Monday, music, easy. Yes, it was easy. Okay, yes, it was easy. Okay, so let's look through it again. Maddie's homework on Tuesday was English. Was it difficult? No, it wasn't difficult. It was easy. Number 2, was Maddie's homework on Thursday difficult? Yes, it was difficult. Okay. On number 3, was Maddie's homework on Wednesday interesting? No. No, it wasn't interesting. It was boring. Computer science was boring. Okay. Number 4. Number 4. Maddie's homework on Friday was geography and art. Was it boring? No, it wasn't. It was interesting. It was interesting. Okay. And number 5. Was Maddie's homework on Monday easy? Yes. Yes, it was. Okay. Quickly write all of that. Quickly write all of that. I'll give you 30 more seconds. 30 seconds. Ten seconds. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Finish all that. Are you finished? Are you finished? Okay, let's go on. Let's go on. Down to number 12. Down to number 12. Okay. Now you have to write about yourself. Okay, so you have to write about yourself. So did you have homework yesterday? Okay, so obviously I didn't have homework because I'm a teacher, but I am going to say yes, so I can give you an example. But you have to write for yourself. Did you have homework? Now, I think on most days, all of you have homework. So you can say, yes, I did have, I did have homework. Yes, I did have homework. Okay. And then we have to say, was it difficult? For me, I'm going to say, no, you can say whatever you want. It wasn't difficult. It was easy. No, it wasn't difficult. It was easy. Okay. Please write whatever you want there. Don't copy me. Okay. So I'm not going to leave this up long because you shouldn't be copying me. Write about you and your homework, please. Okay. Thank you. Please write that. Please write that in your books. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. And I hope I can see you soon. Please stay safe at home. Bye-bye.